this is going to be a start to finish of the cut process I am doing for a friend of ours. Um, on most job sites, in demolition, a lot of people usually weld on the initials of their company for onto skid steers or the buckets or pallet attachments, just because they get stolen all the time. And if you have yours welded on, that would be nice. But most people usually do it with a TIG and just do pretty much the initials of the company. So we're going one step farther and we're just going to plasma cut out some plates to pretty much be put on there and welded. So you guys saw the design. I am not really worried about tolerances too much. So we are going to go with 1.2 millimeter kerf width. I am going to do this out at 14 gauge galvanized. So these are the feeds I use for the galvanized. Galvanized I usually do a little bit slower. And also the voltage on the torch height controller changes. A weird thing is with this model, for some reason, you can see I'm doing changing it to in computer compensation type, but right there the corner mode, it would not generate when I had it in short. So we needed to change that to roll around the corner and then it works. And we're gonna do 2 millimeters for the lead in. Go ahead and let that load. And you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. It didn't do the dashes in between the phone numbers. So, rather than changing the lead-ins on the last toolpath, we're gonna leave them and create a new one. I just selected those two contours that did not generate first, and we're changing the compensation type and smoothing, and then linking. I am going to do 1 millimeter. One thing is the pierce clearance should be below the lead-in distance. I'm just gonna make it 0 and go ahead and let that generate. So you can see that's the thing, or that's the toolpath, and we want that to cut out first. So move it up above, and I will show a quick simulation on Fusion. Go ahead and get rid of that toolpath. I'll speed this up too a little bit. So this is the toolpath it will take. It's really funny. Just the way it cuts out some things. So it does the phone number, but it forgets on top of the 3 until it comes back. I don't know why. But you can sit there and you can fight it for hours and hours on the CAD CAM program, or you can just let it do what it wants to do for 5 seconds. So this is how we're going to post process. right click on the setup, post process, and then we're gonna name this one demolition. And then I'm going to set the pierce delay to 0.35. Your settings will not be the same, obviously. And then let's go ahead and post that. I'll just post it to my desktop and go ahead and save that. So this is a super sped up version of it. I think it's playing like 8 speed. In the beginning, I just did a quick little area test. I had more than enough material. Hey guys, if you're liking the video and the content, be sure to like and subscribe. It definitely helps out with the channel and the YouTube algorithm, letting people know these videos are informative and accurate to the description, letting more and more people see them. This sign is for a friend of ours, so if you're looking for a demolition specialist in the Maryland area, go ahead and give him a call. So this is how we normally clean them, just wire wheel, gets missed the slag. Since we're welding this and it has that galvanized finish, sometimes galvanized mess with welding, so we're going to just give the back a nice deep grind, and then the front just hit it with a wire wheel.